الله أكبر الله الله أكبر الله أكبر إياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط الله أكبر 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 الله الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Your Excellency.
Same to you.
And in the spirit of season, what is your message to the people of Nigeria?
Well, it's a long time since we did 30, so that's my first impression, that we are wishing that the additional one day will bring us additional success. I hope the rainy season will be good. The law enforcement agencies are working hard to regain confidence against the bandits so that people can go back to the land. This is very important. This is what the law enforcement agents are very busy about now. The rainy season is coming, so we want people to go back to the land so that we can get enough food for the country and even export.
Every well-meaning Nigerian knows that you are having sleepless nights over this issue of insecurity. What can you assure the people of Nigeria as you continue to work towards finding lasting solutions?
Well, within the last few weeks, we had about 7 hours meeting. I think the National Security Advisor has briefed after each meeting. He had gone public to what he could go public with and explain that we understand the problem, and we are hoping Nigerians will understand the problem. Nigerians know at which stage we came, 2015, what stage we are now, both on security, both on economy, and we are going by the Constitution. We are doing our best, but with the resources available and the manpower available to us, we are working very hard. And I think the National Assembly is cooperating very well. Within the resources available to us, they are certainly giving us priority in our requirements, and we are doing our best. The important thing is the elites must make the attempt to understand the military. If we order, say, weapons and armored vehicles, it takes time for the manufacturers. It takes time when it is brought here eventually, shipped here, taken to our training institutions, training the trainers, and then sending them to. This is a very, very long process. And even if you can have contact with the retired military chaps, they will tell you the difference between the time we came and now, how much hardware we have got, how much training we have done, and so on. So I think we are doing our best.
So what do you expect from Nigerians? What do you want from them now?
I expect Nigerians to be more understanding and try to understand the issues involved within the time limit and the resources available to the country. For example, as I said, When we came in, people knew what we are in the northeast. If you don't know, go and ask people from Borno, from Adamawa, the difference in terms of security. And without security, you can't do anything. And in the south, our biggest surprise and disappointment is what is happening in the northwest. And we are dealing with it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.